Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to use manual or automatic detour feature on the navigation. So let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find the navigation button, so the whole navigation widget right here. And then let's go back. This is like the standard view of the navigation. And here you should find the menu in that corner, in the down right corner. Let's select here the settings. From the settings, you need to choose here the route preferences and scroll down to the bottom of the list. And here you've got confirm detours manually. So when checked, the car will show a pop-up prompt asking for your permission before changing your active navigation path. When left unchecked, the car will silently retour your automatic to beat the traffic. I like to have the possibility to choose if I want to detour, so let me just enable this feature, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.